sometimes your insurance doesn't cover dryer vent cleaning. Insurance companies, when you get into dryer vents, because they know it's a fire hazard, they kind of can be a little standoffish about it. But at the same time, there's dryer vent riders that you can purchase that cover dryer vent cleaning, and it's a little extra money. I think we paid yearly a couple $100s for it to specifically cover dryer vent cleaning. But just talk to your insurance agent, because there's also, I've talked to insurance agents and they've said, if it's a small portion of your revenue, if it's less than 10% of your revenue, then it's automatically covered, or it's covered unless it's specifically excluded from your policy.
Register for Wealthy Winner at wealthywinner.com so you can join us for even more mind bombs.